We're back. Another video. You can probably already tell what it is from the title if I haven't made it obvious enough. I have 5k Robux. Do you know what cost with 5k in the shop? That's what I'm gonna buy right now. Here we go. So happy right now. I'm actually so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. So happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's a gifted Giga bundle. I'm even gonna get some voucher shit. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do. Cause I have enough. Oh, it's okay. So, I think I'm probably gonna donate the gifted diamond egg and the gifted mythic egg, and not the gifted mythic egg, obviously, but the gifted gold egg. This is gonna be my first gifted, mythic bee. Well, I can also get like 3-star treats basically. 3, 2, 1. Bought it. This is literally gonna be just enough to get these two. Wait, actually, what isn't enough? Here we go. Oh my gosh, star. Okay, so it isn't enough, but I think I'm gonna. Yeah, it's not. Oh wait, no, it is. It is enough. It is enough. It is enough. Just enough. Literally just enough to get it. Okay. First gifted mythic bee. Look how many tickets I have. 2,000. 2,000. Let's go over what it gave me. A star treat, a gifted mythic egg, a gifted diamond egg, gifted gold egg, a flying festive bee, turpentine, a turpentine, 25 sword waxes, caustic waxes, 100 gingerbread bears. There's the delicious star treat. Okay, I have 239 gingerbread bears. Ooh! I put it on shy. You see my shy bee up there? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on there. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Let me take a picture of that real quick. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look how many caustic waxes and sword wax I have now. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. W. Yes, go. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Gifted fuzzy bee. Yo, gifted fuzzy.
That's kind of crazy.
Yes, yes, let's go. Oh, oh, yeah, let's go. Oh, yes, pollen haze. And I'm gonna get 3 star treats. You heard me correctly. Literally 3 star treats. 3, yes. 3. Yes, you heard that correctly. That is 3 star treats. Oh my gosh. I'm not buying Puppy Bee. Okay, let's see. I still don't even have enough to get a mythic egg. So, yeah, it's not worth it. I don't know why at first I thought, oh, I'm gonna buy this. No, it's not worth it. It's literally worth 2 star treats. Yeah, 2. Anyways, we're gonna get these in 3, 2, 1. 3 star treats. Oh, let me take a picture of this. 3 star treats. That's beyond crazy. Oh my gosh. Well, obviously, my first one's going to Bear Bee. Let's get gifted Bear Bee. Yes. Okay. So let's go over what my gifted Bear Bee gives me. Let's see what it does give me. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Bear Morph. Wow, that 10% more pollen is so good. Yeah. I think the gifted one gives you like more bears to choose from. Okay. Let's do gifted vicious beast. Am I already? No, I'm joking. I'm definitely joking. I actually don't know who to do next. Wait, who do I do next? Well, I know I should start with event bees. Maybe I could do gifted photon. Nah. Hello, but gifted festive is actually kind of good, you know. Oh, but that gifted precise. There's so many good ones. Ugh, there's so many good ones. I don't even know which one to pick. I do macro. Okay, where are you? There you are, Photon. Ooh, here we go. Gifted Photon! Whoo! Ooh. Hmm. Either buoyant, precise, or gummy. I'll let the wheel decide. Gonna go make a wheel right now. Okay. Precise or gummy. Let's spin the wheel. Precise. Okay. The wheel choose precise B. Nah. There's. Oh, there he is. The wheel shows pause for dramatic effect. Precise. So here you go, precise. Three, two, one. Boom. But we're not done yet. Because I have some Robux left over. And it's just enough for 2 vouchers. Do you know which 2 it is? Do you know which 2 it is? It's types to be gather and types to convert. Woot! It's time to buy them. Oh, and also, who knows? I might even buy the Wavy Doodle Hive skin just so I can get the hive. And this is also gonna let me get like another star treat. Let's go. Well, I don't have it right now, but wait, soon, okay? Okay, let me do it real quick. Woo! Times to convert. Oh, I can buy infinite. Wait. Oh, it can only be okay. So I can buy multiple, but it will only be for one time. Okay, I see. 2 vouchers. Time to redeem. Times to be gathered. Let me take a picture first. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Redeem the voucher to permanently activate times to be gathered. Redeeming this will permanently remove the voucher. Continue. Yes. Ah ha 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 ha! Ah ha ha ha! Ha! Let's redeem the other. I also got Flying Festive Bee. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Now my bees convert faster and I don't know oh yeah, gather faster. Now since I got all this, I think it's time for a little something called yup. It's basically to just celebrate that I got all this. Yay, tickets. Ooh, even more tickets. That cost over $50, but I don't really care. I got the money. Don't ask me how. I really did have to beg and please donate, or did I? Can't wait for that pollen haze. Yo, pollen haze. Pollen haze. Yes. Gifted fuzzy. There's something bad appeared on my screen for some reason. Don't ask me why. Okay, let's see. Where did it go to this time? Oh, I can see it right there. Yes. Yes, go. Skibbity, Ohio. What I could say so much. Nothing. Oh, gifted fuzzy. My literal first. No, literally my first gifted. What is it? My first gifted mythic bee. Gifted mythic bee. Man, I've been begging for that pollen haze, and it looks like they gave it to me. Thank you so much, On It. Ghana is so rich right now. He's buying cars and mansions. Anna is a billionaire right now. Yarix does the same. Yeah, times to be gathered doing its stuff. I cannot stop talking about it, okay? Now it's white. That sounded wrong. Whatever. Wow. I spent so much money on this game. Whew. Wow. Once again, I just want to go over what I just got. So, I got 3 star treats, a gifted mythic egg, 1 gifted diamond egg, 1 gifted gold egg, a flying festive bee sticker, a turpentine, yeah, swirled and caustic waxes, 100 gingerbread bears, and 1,500 tickets. Oh, and don't forget the times to be gather and convert speed. Yeah, don't forget about that. Oops. Next I'm going for the 1.7 pack. Then it's 400. Yeah. I'm actually kind of broke. I have basically like 100 Robux left. My honey economy is rising! Haha, yes. Oh, and not just that, not just as 2 vouchers and all this other stuff. A gifted fuzzy, gifted precise, gifted Bearby, and a gifted photon. Wow, that is so much. Now I'm really hoping, please subscribe. I wasted over $50 on this game. I would really like it if you could just subscribe, please. I'm trying to beat Mr. Beast, and I probably already will in a few weeks because he's already losing subscribers. But all I want you to do is to subscribe. Please subscribe. These videos take a burden to make. And also, I will tell the release date of BFAB 10. It's either it's probably gonna be released on the today's the 23rd right now, right? Okay. Well, maybe the 24th or the 25th. So get your current calendars ready. We're so close to 500 subscribers. Look, 100 subscribers away. Please get your family and friends, everybody, to subscribe. Come on, please. I'm waiting on you. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe so I can make more videos like this. Yeah. Get me for the 1.7 pack next. Yeah. That's gonna be a whole nother star treat. So subscribe if you want more of that. If you want me to spend more money. Yay.